ask, okay, how many years do you have in this current your current job?
4.
4 years. So 4 years is huge for you. Okay, if you're just going for a fresher, in the sense, yeah, this 4 years you won't be, it won't be as a considered as a data scientist job.
Mm.
But what is the thing, just change it in the manner, put your data, which is the current jobs data, apply on to this
Data
data scientist
algorithms.
concept. I think you are
Okay.
able to that. So put it into the data scientist concept, make some a project, make some project and make it as like a portfolio. So whenever, see, actually, if one who just sitting in before me, he would be in experience at least from 1 or 2 years. Okay, but now you are fresher for the data scientist. Why have to choose you? Even though you are having 4 years experience, okay, but as a data scientist role, you are fresher for this. But when on just choosing this, kindly just show your portfolio. Okay, make it highlighted as, even though in this current job I have applied this into a project, and I applied this one and I got this report, I got this visualization, just to show something that it should be, yeah, you are already having some hands on, that would be added. Got it?
Okay.